Want to make all your TikTok videos private on your iPhone? Well, look no further. It's super easy and you can do it in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you how to set all your TikTok videos to private so only you can see them. So let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app. Then, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three lines icon from the top right corner. Now tap Settings and Privacy. Now tap Privacy. Here, you'll see the option called Private Account. Just toggle it on to make your TikTok account private. By doing this, all your TikTok videos will now be private. And that's it, folks. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.